146 minutes later.
What do you think, Steve? Oopsie!
Big head.
Man, come on, you guys are stupid. Oh, this is crazy. We had a couple of lined up already. So we just about ready to go with our checked up, get geared up. Ball tire to the lead.
Yeah, you wait halfway through to see.
We'll find out pretty quick. Yeah, I believe it might be.
The next day.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Custom Works YouTube channel. So today we're going to go over some of the merch as well as the car. So as you've seen on our website, every $5 you spent on any of our available merch or work done in our shop at Import Motors gets you entered to win this 2000 B5 Audi S4. So just going over some of the merch available. We will hopefully have more coming, but we've got things like this hoodie. Very nice weight, kind of a medium weight hoodie, RS6 on the front, logo on the back. So far everyone's been really loving this one. Same thing in a t-shirt, RS6 on the front, Custom Works on the back, as well as in white. This is kind of more logo on the back, Custom Works X on the front, as well as this one here, logo on the back, black X on the front, along with some of our hats. These are not quite all of them, but a pretty good selection of what we got right now. This is more the trucker style, as well as your standard snapbacks. This one also was one that people have really been liking. This Alpine camo, trucker style snapback, American flag snapback, as well as you can see that hood is pretty well waxed, as well as the life needs a boost, and boosted with the Custom Works X on the front. So that's some of the merch that we have available. You can see all of it over at our website, www.customworks.com. All right, guys, so a little bit of info on the car. 2000 Audi S4. Currently, this is stock engine turbo, 6-speed manual, stage 2 tune, downpipes, full exhaust, lowering springs, and other than that, just a very clean example. So as many of you are probably aware, this car was previously Martin Harp's. He had done the V10 swap in it, and so therefore, you know, probably a very well-known car across the internet. Ended up getting swapped back to stock, and due to all the history and stuff behind the car, we thought it would be a great first giveaway. So let's get into going over the car itself. So starting from the front. Notable feature, brand new coolant bottle, beautiful. All the plastics are there. All the major issues have been addressed with this engine, resealed, does not leak oil yet. Runs great, AC works, everything works as it should. Bumper is fully intact, nice headlights, some Ultra Sport wheels. We currently have some Sport V8 seats in it with the custom brackets. Not a whole lot going on in the interior other than just your nice average B5 interior. It does have a B6 steering wheel on it. And rear is still factory S4. So as you can see, we're starting off with a very nice, one of the nicest ones I've seen that can still be daily driven. We have currently put about 3,000 miles on this car. For those that came out to Ice Cream Cruise this year, thank you very much, especially for all the ones that bought merch and entered so far. Well, this car was driven down there and driven back 5 hours one way. Absolutely zero issues, runs flawless. Some of the things that we hope to do, if there's enough interest in this giveaway, is potentially better suspension. Currently it's just on lowering springs, potentially different wheels. We would love if we could be able to do a KO4 build on it, to do a nice daily driver build on it. But that's kind of going to be up to you guys if we have enough interest in the giveaway. We will be doing some polls on either our Facebook group, which is the Custom Works giveaways, builds, and projects, as well as our Instagram, which is custom_works. Works spelled W-E-R-X. It'll be linked down below. So subscribe to both of those. Follow us there so you can catch those polls and vote what you would like to see done if we end up getting enough interest on this. So I think that kind of wraps up the general overview of the car itself. We'll try to get you some exhaust and driving videos of the car so you can kind of see that yes, it is a running and driving car. So till the next one. Bye.